Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another video, and today it's a quick one. I'm going to be reviewing the official leather case from Apple for the iPhone 8 Plus. This is the product red version to go with their product red iPhone 8 Plus. Packaging, you've seen this before. The only difference is they've got the red colored case picture on the front, and on the back it says natural leather iPhone 8 Plus leather case. It says here product red at the bottom. £49. Now £49, I'm going to say off the bat, is too expensive in my opinion. I have found somewhere you can get it cheaper, reputable supplier. I will leave links in the description below. Use those links because it helps you save money and helps me grow the channel. Anyway, let's show you the actual case itself. All leather. Now the inside, it's got the nice microfiber material, as you can see, very suede like. It's got iPhone stamped in there, and the usual designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, whatever. And it's got, and then closer, product red stamped in there as well. Now the microfiber only covers the back of the part of the actual case. The side parts are all leather. There's no microfiber in there. If you can see the actual coverings for the buttons, and they're metallized buttons. So I've got my beautiful iPhone 8 Plus, the product red version. Straightforward to get in. Volume rocker side first. Oh, made a pig's ear of that. Hold on. There we go, let's do it that way. Push it in, push it down. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. Now, let's show you around the actual case. When I saw this on other people's videos, it kind of looked like a stale ketchup color, this red leather. But in person, it's a very, very good match with the actual phone itself. You can see, I like this red color a lot. You got your Apple logo stamped in there. Top is covered. You've got your power button here, metallized power button. That's it. The bottom's completely open. You can see the thickness of that case. It's not bad. Not bad. And on this side, you've got metallized volume rockers and a gap there to hit that mute switch, which works perfect. It's easy to get in there. You don't need a fingernail. Lay on the table protection. There is a little bit, as you can see, not a huge amount. And that's with a tempered glass screen protector that I had put on there by Apple, one of their Belkin ones. So you still got a bit of lip protection there. Now the big camera hump, that's also protected at the back, as you can see there. So that's quite nice as well. What I like is the ring around the actual camera hump is exactly the color of these buttons. So if you're looking for that highlighted kind of feature, very, very close match. And the metal bezels as well on the phone. We'll bring that in there. So do I recommend it? I think it's a great case. I like it. I've always liked OEM cases, provided you can get it cheaper than the £49. As I said, I'm leaving links in the description below where you can pick this case up for less than what Apple are asking for. Let me just bring in the space gray iPhone 8 Plus with the aubergine purple colored leather case, so you got a nice bit of contrast there. Should that be my thumbnail? Yeah, let's make that my thumbnail. Sorry guys, I know you probably think I'm nuts. I'm just making my thumbnail ready. Anyway guys, the lifestyles of a YouTuber right there. Okay, so there you have it guys. I like it. It matches the red one perfectly. Looks much better in person, believe me. Much better in person. It's not slippery. It's got a nice bit of grip to it. It's not like the D brand grip. It's not grippy like that, but it's not slippery like some leather cases. And I'm sure it will wear pretty well over time. So there you have it guys. The product red official iPhone 8 Plus leather case. I give it a thumbs up because I like, only if you've got the red iPhone. If you ain't got a red iPhone, don't bother, because it will look a bit odd with other colored iPhones. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit the subscribe button down there and the notification bell icon next to it. I've already reviewed a ton of cases for the iPhone 8 Plus and the iPhone 7 Plus. Remember, those cases will fit this device as well. If you haven't seen those videos, check them out. I'm sure you'll find them interesting. I've probably reviewed more cases for the iPhone 8 Plus and the iPhone 7 Plus than any other YouTuber, I would think. So, as I said, thumbs up, share this. Any questions, leave them down below for me. I always get back to people. This is Texas saying take care. I'll see you all again real soon. And peace.